Ako si Mia ng Pentecost Parish. Si Mama Mary ba ay namatay bago siya inakyat ng Diyos sa langit?
The dogma of the Assumption was defined by Pope Pius XII on November 1st, 1950 in his Apostolic Constitution, Munificentissimus Deus. It is stated in this Apostolic Constitution that Mary, after completing her earthly life, was taken up body and soul into heavenly glory. So it does not, however, explicitly state whether she died or not. So wala pong clear explanation kung namatay nga o hindi si Maria bago siya iniakyat sa langit. However, there are two biblical personalities in the Old Testament whose entry into heaven was not described to be preceded by death, si Enoch at saka si Elijah. In Genesis chapter 5 verse 24, we read, Enoch walked faithfully with God, then he was no more because God took him away. So parang sinasabi dito na he was taken up to heaven directly, na hindi dinanas ang kamatayan. In the second book of Kings chapter 2 verse 11, it is stated that as they continued walking and talking, a chariot of fire and horses of fire separated the two of them, and Elijah ascended in a whirlwind into heaven. So this passage suggests also that Elijah did not die. If nangyari ito kina Enoch at kay Elias, bakit hindi pwedeng mangyari din kay Maria? How much more kay Maria, who was sinless from her conception up to the end of her earthly life? Well, sa tradisyong Eastern Christians, meron silang tinatawag na Dormition of Mary. Ito ay napakatanda ng tradisyon. They describe Mary's Assumption as dormition to emphasize the different kind of death that Mary experienced, which is about hindi paghiwalay ng katawan at kaluluwa na karaniwang nangyayari o nagaganap sa kamatayan ng mortal beings like us. Mary was given the singular privilege of preserving the unity of her body and soul because she remained sinless. At dahil din siya ay ang pinakaunang beneficiary ng resurrection ng kanyang anak na si Jesus. Because Christ has already overcome death, in his death, Mary was given the gift to share in his resurrection. Yan po ang doktrina ng Assumption ni Maria. Ultimately, she gained it not through her merits, but through the merit of her son's passion, death, and resurrection. So whatever is realized in Mary is our eschatological hope, that one day our mortal bodies will reunite with our souls and join in the glorious resurrection of her Son, Jesus Christ.